Millions of children are dying every year unnecessarily. They are suffering because something as basic as food. 75% of severely malnourished children don't have access to life-saving treatment. But the solution is here in my hand. This peanut paste is known as Plumpy'Nut, costing 25 pence per sachet. It's specially made for starving children. It's easy to eat, store and distribute. Task Force GLM will be distributing thousands of these across the world. Imagine as a mother you couldn't feed your child, then someone offered you this, which could save their lives. Your donations of £78 will feed 3 children for a month. You are literally saving them from the brink of death.